Good good day, students. My name is Mr. DASSAH Peter N, and I will be handling your music lesson today on scales, to be precise. Let's take a look at what scales is all about. A scale is the arrangement of musical notes in an alphabetical order from the tonic to its octave in either ascending or descending order. Yes, that's the definition of a scale. A scale, as I've said, is the arrangement of musical notes in an alphabetical order from the tonic to its octave in either ascending or descending order. There's not much explanation to be given about this definition because it says vividly what it should be. A scale can also be described as a ladder of notes. You can see a ladder. We go up the ladder and down the ladder. This other ladder here has been marked with musical notes. We have a C here, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, and B. You see, so we can go up the ladder or down the ladder with our musical notes in our minds too. Beautiful. A scale can also be seen as a staircase. You see a staircase, you go up the staircase or you go down the staircase. And we have our musical notes on this one too. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, all the way up to C. These are just little nuggets for us to remember before we delve into our scales proper. These are just reminders. We've discussed some of this in the past. Alright, so one of the major things we'll be talking about today, the tetra-chord system. This is how the scale of C major looks like on the staff. You can see C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. You want to sing it down in solfa, it is given to you below, just the normal diatonic scale major. Now, talking about the tetra-chord system, a tetra-chord system is a system that divides the scale into two equal halves. Okay, the diatonic scale has 8 notes, and when you divide the scale into two, you know we'll have 4 on each side, isn't it? Alright, that's what we're talking about. Okay, this is a typical example of a scale, diatonic major scale in C major. So it has 8 notes: C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. They are the 8 notes, and the tetrachord line is already drawn here. You can see it giving us 4 to the left and 4 to the right. The first 4, that's C, D, E, F, are known as the lower tetrachord, while the second 4, G, A, B, C, are known as the upper tetrachord. They are the upper half of the scale. Of course, our formula is still here: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. There's a T behind this line. If you look closely, you discover that there's a T around this port. Yes, so tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That's our formula for constructing the scale. Right, so let's go through the secrets. The secrets of tetrachords. In scales, there are about 2 systems that we actually work with, which is known as the sharp series and the flat series. To construct a flat series, we need to convert a lower tetrachord into a new upper tetrachord. After we've done that, then with the help of the formula, we are expected to work and find the lower tetrachord. Okay, so we have, assuming you have an upper tetrachord, existing upper tetrachord, there's no new lower tetrachord, you have to work out, follow using this formula to get what is there, and I will show you that shortly. This method is repeated for each new key for the next 3 steps, because according to our scheme of work, we are supposed to cover sharps and flats with that's for keys with 3 sharps and flats. Alright, so this is the scale of C major, and we have seen this before. The scale of C major with the tetrachord division, C, D, E, F as our lower tetrachord, and then G, A, B, C as our upper tetrachord. Beautiful. So the question here is, which one is our lower tetrachord? Which one is our lower tetrachord? We have C, D, E, F as our lower tetrachord. It is even labeled here. So we brought down C, D, E, F down here, and that's what we're going to use to construct the next scale. Good. You can see how the development is going. C, D, E, F has been made an upper tetrachord. For the lower side, everything is empty, nothing is there. We need to fill it. So the first argument is, how do we approach it? When your scale ends on F, where do you think it started from? Okay, so if your scale should end on F, where do you think did it start from? Let's look at it here. Here we have an F. It ends on F and starts on F. Why? Let's look at this secret. The secret is this: the last note is known as the octave. They share the same musical alphabet. Wow! And key, and the first note with the first note. So since F is the last note, that means that the scale began on F also. Beautiful. So with the F as the first note and as the last note, we are almost done. We just have a few more alphabets to fix to complete the scale. So a tone from F will give us what? A tone from that will give us what? And a semitone from that will give us what? And we complete this whole scale. Okay, this is how the scale is completed. A tone from F will give us G. A tone from G will give us A. A semitone from A will give us B flat. I know someone would want to say A sharp. Yes, A sharp is correct, but B flat is more correct because we are dealing with the flat series, remember? Okay, a tone from B flat will give us C. A tone from C will give us D. A tone from D will give us E, and a semitone from E will give us F. Okay, alright, having completed that, you can see how the process is done. This is what I was explaining before. The lower tetrachord is taken down as a new upper tetrachord, and then you complete the scale. We've done this. This was first scale, C major, correct, no problem. We brought it down here, and then since F is the last note here, we took up F and completed it again this way. So we have F, G, A, B flat, F, G, A, B flat as the new lower tetrachord. We've moved F, G, A, B flat down here, F, G, A, B flat. Can you see it here? And then we complete again, finishing on B flat. We know that it's starting on B flat, so automatically B flat is here. A tone from B flat is C. A tone from C is D, and a semitone from D is E flat. A tone from E flat is F. A tone from F is G. A tone from G is A. Semitone from A, B flat. The scale is complete. And then this lower tetrachord is still moved up again, down this way. We have B flat, C, D, E flat. Can you see it's brought down here? B flat, C, D, E flat. Finishing on E flat, that means we're going to start on E flat again. So that's how we got this: E flat, F, G, A flat. You see, a tone from E flat is F. A tone from F is G. The semitone from G is A flat. A tone from A flat is B flat. Tone from B flat is C. A tone from C is D, and the semitone from D is E flat. The scales are complete for our lesson. Okay, let's look at the summary. Alright, with me here is a summary. You see the first one, we have the lower tetrachord here, this part, then upper tetrachord, and then number of sharps in each scale. It helps us to run the summary of whatever has happened. That shows you how systematic the scale can be. We have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. That's the scale of C major. Is there any sharp or flat in it? No, there's no flat in it. So we have 0. Then come to 2. We have F, G, A, B flat. It's a flat on B. C, D, E, F. You see, 1 flat on B. So that's why we have 1 here and we have B here. Then we go to the second one, which is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. So we have how many flats here? I know someone might say 3, but no, this B flat and this B flat are counted as 1. So we have 2 flats. Okay, 2 on what? B and E. And then the last note, we have E flat, B flat, A flat. Alright, but the scale goes like this: E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, making a total of 3 flats on B, E, and A. That's the summary. Okay, so with me here is a little assignment: define scale, mention the types of scales you know, what's the formula for constructing a major scale, and with the help of the Tetra-chords system, construct the flat series starting from C major and ending on E flat major. Submit your assignments to the email below. Thanks for listening. In our next class we will discuss intervals.